Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from 12 group that consists of Eko Safairus Hasna and myself is Muhammad Ananda Kurniati, and the last is Shiva Nahdiatul Uyun. We'll explain about our results of journal analysis on linguistic article. The title that we analyze is Word Formation Process in English New Words of Oxford English Dictionary UED Online. The author of this journal is Alex Saratih and Rosalyn Isnayu Gustian. The journal name is the Journal of Culture, English Language Teaching, Literature, and Linguistics. So if you want to know more about the detail of the journal, you can see this slide. And if you want to know furthermore about the results of the journal analysis, you can watch this video until the end. So please enjoy it. Thank you.
Baiklah, di sini saya akan menjelaskan untuk poin yang pertama dari analisis journal, that is the research background from the article that we analyzed. The researcher proposes to analyze about the word formation process in creating new words. According to the online Oxford English Dictionary or OED, there are many new words appear every year. The new words are arranged by word formation process. Word formation process is the way to produce the new word from existing material. Jadi, word formation process itu sendiri adalah sistem atau proses di mana pembentukan kata baru dengan material yang berasal dari kata-kata sebelumnya. The new word will be listed in dictionary. Oxford English Dictionary is one of the famous dictionary in the world. The researcher finds some studies about word formation process, but most of them use offline or printed dictionary. None of the studies investigate about word formation process in English New Words of online dictionary. Therefore, the researcher here will investigate the word formation process in English New Words of online dictionary, which is OED. And then the next is the theory that used in the article. The theories the researcher used is the theories from some previous researcher, such as Montero Valletta in journal Suffixes in Word Formation, and then Biskenova in journal Neologism in Present-Day German, Beer in journal Word Formation, Harley in journal English Words, and others. The researcher used some process in creating English new words from the researcher finding in this study, such as affixation has some types such as prefix, suffix, infix, and circumstance. And then borrowing is the way the words made from borrowing the word from other language which without any changing. Third is folk etymology, is how the word appear because of historical story. The next is compounding. Is compound the word into one to make a new word with new meaning. And then abbreviation. Some new words also made by abbreviation process, that is when the words spoken letter by letter. Next is acronyms. Some new words also made by acronym, that is when the word is can read without speaking letters by letter. And then blending is clipping and combining two words, then blend it into make a new word. And then clipping, and the last is clipping, is the word creating by cutting the back to make a new word. Besides that, there is double word formation process that the researcher use is how to combine two process into a word. Include the first is like folk etymology plus compounding. So you use the process from folk etymology and then compound that, and then compounding plus affixation, blending plus affixation, and then the last is clipping plus blending.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this section, I will talk about the research methodology of original analysis. And the first is the type of the research. The study was designed as a qualitative research because it presents the data by describing the process of word formation and creating new words. The researchers chose the qualitative research design because the aims of the study were to know what word formation process in English new words were and to know which word formation process is more productive ones. Besides, the researcher used case study as a design to analyze the word formation process in English new words of OED online. Jadi metode kali ini menggunakan metode kualitatif karena peneliti ingin mempresentasikan dengan cara mendeskripsikan bagaimana proses dari sebuah word formation atau pembentukan kata sehingga menciptakan kata-kata baru dalam bahasa Inggris. And the objectives or subject of the research. The research used Oxford English Dictionary online as the object of the research. The object can be accessed in the website. So in this website there are the list of English new words in every year. Jadi objek atau subjek dari penelitian ini adalah Oxford English Dictionary dan di objek ini bisa diteliti di dalam website dan di situ ada list atau daftar-daftar kata-kata baru dalam bahasa Inggris setiap tahunnya. And then the third is technique of collecting data. Document analysis was used as the instrument to collect the data. Document analysis is a systematic procedure for reviewing or evaluating document, both print and electronic, or computer-based and internet-transmitted material. Like other analytical methods in qualitative research, document analysis required the data be examined and interpreted in order to elicit meaning, gain understanding, and develop empirical knowledge. And then the data were presented in the form of table. Jadi teknik dalam mengambil data sendiri itu menggunakan dokumen analysis ya, atau menganalisa sebuah dokumen. Karena ini adalah sebuah kamus online, jadi yang digunakan itu metodenya adalah analisis dokumen, dan setelah itu datanya akan dipresentasikan dalam bentuk tabel. And then the technique of data analysis. The researcher randomly took 10 English new words as the sample base of each alphabetical initial from each year. For example, initial with A was taken as many as 10 words, initial with B was taken as many as 10 words, and so on. Besides, the researcher used document as the instrument to collect the data. Jadi, peneliti ini mengambil atau mencari 10 kata-kata baru setiap inisialnya, karena di dalam kamus itu sendiri kan di kata-katanya dikelompokkan berdasarkan inisial, contoh A, B, C sampai Z. Dan dari inisial A itu diambil 10 kata, inisial B diambil 10 kata, dan seterusnya. And then furthermore, the researcher sought out the sample of new words from year 2012 and until 2016. After a researcher sought out the samples of new words, the researcher gave a code or group the new words based on the same year and the same alphabet. For example, the new words in year 2012 were grouped in the same table. Jadi setelah dianalisa, diambil kata-katanya, langsung peneliti ini memilah data, dan data yang dipilih itu atau kata-kata yang dipilih, kata-kata baru itu dalam bahasa Inggris itu diambil hanya kata-kata yang diciptakan pada tahun 2012 sampai 2016. Nah, kemudian dikelompokkan kata-kata tersebut berdasarkan tahun atau berdasarkan inisial alfabetnya. After the research got the coding, the researcher organized it into a table. Moreover, the researcher validated the data to the expert, who is linguistic lecturer in University of Muhammadiyah Malang. Then the researcher compared the result with the theories. And then in the last step, the researcher made a conclusion. Jadi setelah peneliti ini memilah-milah data, kemudian peneliti minta saran atau minta validasi kepada seorang dosen dalam bidang linguistik di Universitas Muhammadiyah Malang. Kemudian peneliti membandingkan data yang didapatkan dengan teori-teorinya. Dan dalam tahap akhir, peneliti membuat kesimpulan. Well, I think that's enough about the research methodology. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, I will explain what finding in journal word formation processes in English new words of Oxford English Dictionary OED online. Since the emergence of technology, many new researches are usually formed to express the new activities found in everyday life. In general, new words are formed to express new activities that have never been used before getting to know technology. Along with its development, these new words are widely accepted and adapted and then used by many people in the world. And then these words are entered into dictionaries to express ideas. To answer this phenomenon, a study entitled Word Formation Processes in English New Words of Oxford English Dictionary OED Online explain how new words are formed. This study used qualitative research because it presents data by describing the process of word formation in creating new words. The researcher used a case study as a decision to analyze the process of forming new words in English from the Oxford English Dictionary Online. The researcher used the OED English Dictionary as object of his research. This object can be accessed at the link in the PowerPoint. Di website tersebut berisi daftar-daftar kata-kata baru di setiap tahunnya. Dalam penelitian ini, peneliti menganalisis daftar kata-kata baru bahasa Inggris tahun 2012 sampai 2016 dengan sistematika pengambilan sampel kata baru secara acak. Peneliti secara acak mengambil 10 kata baru bahasa Inggris sebagai sampel berdasarkan abjad di setiap tahunnya. Misalnya, abjad A diambil 10 kata, B 10 kata, C 10 kata, dan begitu pun abjad seterusnya. Selanjutnya, peneliti memilah kata-kata baru dari tahun 2012 sampai 2016 dan setelah dipilih, peneliti mengelompokkan kata-kata baru tersebut berdasarkan tahun yang sama dan alfabet yang sama. Misalnya, kata-kata baru di tahun 2012 itu dikelompokkan ke dalam tabel yang sama dan setelah itu peneliti menyusunnya dan menjadikannya sebuah tabel. Hasil penelitian pada jurnal ini menunjukkan bahwa kata-kata baru tidak terbentuk begitu saja, melainkan ada sebuah proses di dalamnya seperti affixation, fork etymology, compounding, abbreviation, acronym, borrowing, blending, clipping, and back formation. Dalam pembentukannya, kata baru mengalami proses tertentu dan pada umumnya kata-kata baru tersebut dibangun dari kata-kata yang sudah ada sebelumnya dan pada kasus tertentu perubahan makna dan kelas kata kerap terjadi. Maybe I think enough for me. Next I will be back to moderator. Thank you.